some fun tonight. Yeah. I don't taste the money, so we can do whatever we like. We go to US.
I am expecting to enjoy myself. I am expecting to see another level of filming in Nigeria. Also, I'm expecting to see that I have an idea of how I can reunion my family. That's right.
And I'm really just looking forward to like a really good movie, a really good storyline, really nice, really glammed up, and I'm just here to have a great time. So that's why I'm here. Hopefully I enjoy the movie. And if you're watching this, you should also come out and watch the movie as well. Support Nigerian film, support Nollywood. Help us help you to help us to help you.
When you talk about the reunion, you're looking at people who are here to show off. You know, for those of you who have attended your school reunions or whatever reunion you've attended. So people usually come out to reunions to show off, and you already know how it is, you know.
This is something you have never seen before. Okay, so the movie talks about the struggles of women. Now, 4 women came together to organize the 50th anniversary of their alma mater. And at that anniversary, of course, some secrets begin to unfold. Secrets about the times in their school, when they went to school, and things are revolving around their life.
Way back in school, when you guys are always together, and then coming back again after graduations and stuff, coming back to share the same space. I mean, it's a great joy, and here I'm just here to enjoy the film and have a good time.
When I mention a reunion, a lot of things comes to my mind, and I really don't know what the movie is all about, but I saw the trailer and it was very, very interesting, and I am looking forward to be entertained. I have a whole lot of friends and colleagues in the movie, and yeah.
It's a very beautiful film. I want everybody to go out there and see the movie. Why? Because you need to it talks about different family. It talks about different friends. It talks about different background. So it's a good film for you to see. Tell your friend to tell your friend. Just come and watch the reunion.
So you have to stop working so that you can take good care of the children.
Please, just slow down. We just met, okay?
It's a nice experience working with these fantastic actors and crew member, you know. It was hectic and a lot of challenges while shooting, but at the end we were able to pull up and make a good film, I guess. And I'm sure the audience is going to enjoy this.
From the scripts level, I know the production is good. Now when we got to location, the caliber of actors and the cast are just fantastic, and they did justice to the script. So interpreting a script, you know, to the best of the originator's satisfaction is one major thing that I always concentrate on. And I'm happy we did it. And now we have it.
So, reunion the film. I actually was on their set to see a couple of people, and I saw how intriguing it looked. So I cannot wait to see how well they had put it together. Of course, it's got one of my Nollywood favorites, Mr. Johnson Okoje.
What are you up to now? Peddling bad rumors about me, you miserable asswipe. I have just told you.
I'm so sure it's going to be really interesting, so I want to see it.
Seri Makaburi, classic boy. Oh lo 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 lo. You are feeling fly, cause I no get back. You dey follow sugar daddies, no dey do chatty, yeah. I dey wonder why, baby do me like this, oh. You can do me like that, oh, yeah. Below ya be humble, no money, no trouble. Oh baby, no fumble. I love you, she know you. Now money they open. I'm feeling your hustle with everything you do, yeah. At the end of the day, you know I love you. Nobody find past you. Yeah, yeah. Nobody find past.
Well, it's a star-studded cast, so I'm expecting to see beautiful faces from the industry, like people like Mercy Johnson, Mercy Aigbe, Lilian Isoro, and I saw Femi Jacob a while ago, so beautiful cast.
I'm expecting to see Tana Adelano today, Jide Kuti, Femi Jacobs, Messi Aigbe, and the rest of all other beautiful celebrities in the Nollywood industry.
We're expected to see Mercy Johnson, Tana Adelana, Lilian Esoro, Jide Kosoko, Frederick Leonard, and a host of others.
So from this movie, I'm just expecting to see a really good synergy amongst the cast, because usually when you have big name casts at the same time, sometimes it's hard to have a nice synergy. Sometimes they don't really gel properly. So I'm just here to see how well they work together. And in all, I'm just looking forward to a really great movie.
We're all alumni of our dear school, Zenith International College. It's our school's 50th anniversary.
Straight-laced, born-again Lola. Now a baby mama.
Hey. Do you know what? You all are miserable people.
Do you even think you can measure up to them? You can compete with them when it comes to wealth? When you say that we get money, we don't get money. There's no money. We don't have money again.
It's the weekend. We're gonna have some fun tonight.
I was aware when they were filming it. I came on set one or two times, to see my friends. So yeah, what I saw then and what the finished work now, I think it was good, perfect.
I thought it wasn't it was just gonna be all happy without too many lessons, but there were a lot of life lessons were there. I didn't expect to learn so much from it. I thought it was gonna be young people movie and it was fun, but really I enjoyed it a lot and I learned a lot about it.
I must confess, it's a very satisfying movie. It's one thing to act a movie, it's another thing to see the movie come out, and then it's another thing to watch people react to the movie. And given to how it was in the hall, it was satisfying for me.
So I just came out from the reunion, and if you ask me, I just became reunited. The movie is top notch, right? Quality, everything, good acting, good casting. There's this reality in the movie. You see the actors telling you the story in a way you can be embraced with what's going on. So I would say if you've not seen the reunion, you should just come out and see it. You're going to enjoy everything.
Right, yeah, Reunion, very good movie. Yeah, you can see everybody's excited that this is a very good movie. And of course, the fact that the executive producer is just coming into this business, and she's extremely happy that, what she's done is a wow. She said it's a top-notch movie. All the actors interpreted the roles very, very nice. Well, a little bit painful that I'm not part of the project, but it's all good. A lovely movie, though.
So I just finished seeing the movie The Reunion. I thought it was really amazing. My personal favorite, Femi Jacobs. I thought he was amazing in this movie. You guys should come out and watch this movie. As I said earlier, support Nollywood. It has a really nice message. I feel like it's really big on female empowerment, which we need. We need more stories supporting women. And telling their stories from their perspective. So, yeah, come on, guys, and watch The Reunion. I had a great time. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it, too. Take care.
I think the movie was beautiful. I enjoyed it. The actors, it was such a good cast, first of all. And obviously the acting is what catches people, first of all. But, The Reunion was beautiful, I did the sound mixing and mastering as well. So I think it was, I'm not tooting my home, but I think it was beautiful.
Awesome one from Fojo Media. It's awesome. It's something I don't actually know how to express myself, because The Reunion is something you need to see. The cast and crew did justice to the movie. It's something that when you are locked down in the cinema watching it, you don't want to go,